Hi guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to refund items on Roblox. This should be quite an easy tutorial. So first thing you want to do is open up Roblox in web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, click on this icon in the top right corner, then select Roblox. A list of items will be displayed here. Choose and copy the name of the item you want to refund from the list as you will need it. Later, while providing the details of the item to Roblox. Please note that I haven't made any purchase here, but you should process as advised. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Help. In the search bar on this page, just type refund and select the first option. A new page titled Unauthorized Charges and Refund Request will open. Contact Roblox Refund Support. Scroll down on this page until you find Need More Help. Just click that, and under Additional Help, click on it, and on the next page, Roblox will ask for some information including personal data, and you provide the item information, while under the issue details, provide the information and the name of the item you want to refund. Then click Submit. So this is how you can quickly request a refund on purchase you made using Roblox. So I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!